Perspective is hard, and it can make you cranky. But now you can learn it as easy as ever, and if you're afraid it will cramp your freestyle and make you too careful, it won't. We have a new tool that can help. It's called Zolly. And in this new app, you can Zolly any object you see to draw it from any perspective you want. Filmmakers found out that they could warp space with a trick that combines zoom and dolly effects. This trick, called the Zolly, is kind of a trip. Watch this. You can create normal, or distant, or wide-angle views that expand both the form and your mind. Then, draw from these various viewpoints. Understand how the lines do what they do. Let it inspire your mind to imagine, then check what you saw in your mind with what you can see with your eyes in this app. Kapow! Zolly might thrill you without any need for a teacher, but if you're in my course, this gives you a handful of solid examples to draw for our projects. With total control over how you position your camera, up, down, left, right, or remarkably snuffling up to its surface or off in another dimension. If you're not in my course, you can still draw these forms from all angles, then do the mind work and check what you draw, and it's all at the tap of a button to change views. Try it for free at proko.com/Zolly. Draw from the primitives, and if you want more, you can pick up the packs of advanced models as you advance in your skills. And there's plenty of free content to let you start practicing now. Now, I didn't code this. I asked the creatives who brought us the Skelly app if they could build us the ideal tool for students to master perspective, and they gave us this. The magical app that I longed for in my days of learning, and you now have it here for yourself. And you can get it on your phone, tablet, Mac, or PC. Try it at proko.com/Zolly and tell us what you think.